let me put you onto something. Hey, this is Grace. I am an ordinary gal who has a lot of clothes. Oops, but hey, laundry's easy now. It's not a sticky mess, not spilling cups everywhere. I don't have to clean out cups anymore. Pretty cool. This is a laundry sheet. If you've never heard of it, it quite literally is your detergent in a sheet. Who would have thought? It's pretty cool. Take out your sheet, rip it up, put it in the wash, bam, bada bing. I really recommend them. It's liquidous, they're plant driven, they're hypoallergenic, stain fighting power, and of course 0 waste. It's a cardboard box. Put it in your recycling. This is actually how I came across them, is because I was looking for something a little bit more eco-friendly while doing my laundry, and I was tired of the liquid. It's more water than there is soap, and let's cut that out. I have the water that's going in the machine. I don't need to buy it in my detergent. So found them. They have some really cool smells. It doesn't bother my skin, and I have super sensitive skin, so it's an A+ for me. I definitely recommend checking them out. I've got the fresh linen smell. I think that's my favorite just because I love the smell of fresh, but they have a really good like orange one and a pretty smelling flower one. I definitely love them. Guys, check them out.